And in this video, we are going to explore some of the very basic principles of copywriting skills, and I'm going to create a sales copy from scratch using real life examples to show you how it's done. So, what is copywriting? Copywriting is basically your ability to start, extend, and enhance your relationship with your customer. It's basically salesmanship in written, your ability to use words to generate more sales, highlighting your features, and convincing your customers to buy your products. Now, it's important for you as a copywriter to understand the difference between benefits and features of a product and how to identify them, because people, and it is an important part of the sales psychology, that people buy with emotions, with benefits in their mind, but they justify the purchase using the features of the product. So it's important for you to make appeal of the product to customers using the benefits but justify their purchase using the features. That's why it's important for you to make use of both benefits and features, and your ability to identify and your ability to make it appeal to them. So, what is the difference between benefits and features of a product? Let's start with benefits. Benefit is what the product does for you as a customer, as a person, and as a human being. It's basically sometimes the end product, the end result it has on your life. If you don't understand at this part, don't worry, we'll cover it in a couple of minutes with an example. Features of a product are basically what it does, what it contains, what it is composed of, what it does basically, and how is it quantified. Now, let's head on with the example. I have a black t-shirt like this. How am I going to create a sales copy for it using benefits and features to make it appeal to our customers? Please try to remember what I said about the benefits of a product. It's the end result, it's the impact it has on your life. Now, in a sales copy, the impact about which we could write of this t-shirt is it would make you feel more confident, it would look good on you, it's great for both indoors and outdoors, it would make you stand apart. On the other hand, features are the technicalities, the composition, basically what the product does. About features, we could write about this t-shirt is it's 100% cotton, it's breathable, it's machine washable, it's an absolute wardrobe staple and a necessity, a basic that you must have. Now, the sales copy that I have created based on the points that have been stated thus far are as follows. This 100% cotton black tea will definitely become the go-to item in your wardrobe. Whether you are running errands or meeting your friends for coffee, sport this black number with slim jeans or shorts for a relaxed style. Always feel confident with this evergreen wardrobe must-have. 100% cotton at the top is a feature, the go-to item in your wardrobe. This is the benefit. Whether you are running errands, in the middle paragraph we have basically tried to describe a real life scenario and the impact it has. That is basically the benefit. Always feel confident, this is again a benefit. Evergreen wardrobe must have, this is a feature. In the middle paragraph I have also written sport this black number with slim jeans or shorts for a relaxed style. Now this is for upsells. If your website has jeans or shorts, people are much more likely to buy from the same place, and you are going to sell more products because of this middle paragraph, and it's all thought of before. So if you have jeans or shorts in your Shopify store, this is going to result in more sales of those products. And this is how you utilize benefits and features to your advantage to create a sales copy that does really good in sales. You could head over to Amazon, Myntra, and see the product descriptions or the style notes that they have, and it's going to be pretty much the same as the format as we are seeing right now on the screen. Hey folks, thank you so much for watching this video. Please comment down below the sales copy that you would have created if you wanted to sell a black t-shirt like this. And stay tuned for upcoming videos. Stay safe, enjoy.